Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to show you what comes in a new distributor kit from Senegence. So it comes in a big box. So when you open it up, you're going to pull out this beautiful portfolio. And you'll be able to fill this portfolio with your business tools to use. You will receive a checklist to get started and a bunch of business tools and product to get started. Get some receipts, some brochures on the company that you can share with others, a copy of the book that the CEO wrote called $1 Million Lips, and this has a lot of great business tips also to help you get started. You also have that in an audiobook if you don't want to read, which is another great option. Glossy gloss samples, climate control samples. This is an amazing skincare product. It's one of my favorites. And some other skincare samples, cleanser, moisturizers. Now with the new distributor kits right now, you actually get to pick between 3 different kits. For this sample, I picked the Rich Bolds because I like bold, fun colors. So for this kit, these are the 3 colors you get. That first one is Plum, Fly Girl, and Cocoa. So these are just great lip sense colors that you can use as testers. You can show them off yourself, show how the product works. Glossy glass, and this is used to seal in the lip sense. And a remover, this is if you make a mistake or if you want to just get your lip sense off at the end of the day. So the 2 other kits, I believe one is called like soft neutrals. They're both more neutrals. The other 2, like lighter. Some different options depending on what kind of colors you like. Get a copy of the Acclaim magazine. So this has stories, information about products, tips, all kinds of fun stuff. And you get several beauty books. Oops, dropped something. Several beauty books. These are our amazing catalog that you can share and pass out, and it has all the different products, the colors, and explanations of everything. So you get several of those. And then you also get some tester wands because you can use those lip sense tubes as testers to show your friends and family how lip sense works, and then they can order from you. So that is the new distributor kit and what comes inside. It is worth $131, but this month, January 2021, you can actually sign up completely for free and get 20 to 50% off product, whether you're buying for yourself or whether you're going to sell to others or do some combination of both. 20 to 50% off if you place any, so if you sign up this month and then if you place any order. So you could literally, this is like one of the midi glosses that I'm actually wearing right now. Cutie pie. If you, I'm wearing it on top of this one's color called Dahlia. If you place an order for just literally like a midi gloss, send to your distributor, no matter what size order you place, you're gonna get your 20% off. And then you will also get this kit for free, but you get to pick the colors. And it's worth $131. You get product, you get the business tools shipped to you for free. So if you are interested, I will have a link below that you can click and sign up. You can also get in touch with me if you have any questions. Happy to answer and let you know more details about the company and Senegence or my personal experience. So yeah, that is our new distributor kit. Things definitely changed, so depending on when you watch this video, things might have changed, but as of right now, that is the new distributor kit, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what comes inside. And have a fabulous day.